So hey there everybody, as always, welcome to the channel and thanks for stopping in. My name is Rich and I'm the channel host. Normally we're talking about drones and drone construction progression work and the type of work we do, but we also talk about some of the other tools that we utilize because it's not just about drones for us. So we do a lot of post-processing with video, 360s, 3D models, and some other tools out there for doing drone work. One of the things that we were talking about last year a lot was 3D Vista. We were trying it out, and I got a question from somebody today about 3D Vista. They said right down in here, so this was a comment, and I'll be linking this to them after. You said you can create a package to give to Windows or Mac users. Anything you can share on that. So yes, in 3D Vista, we can export an actual package for folks to use standalone on their Windows platform or on their Mac. So what do we have to do? Well, let's go turn on 3D Vista first. And actually, let's go ahead and minimize this one. All right, so I just pulled up 3D Vista. It has a couple of sample tours. I've got one for my class of January 2025, and then we've got building with 3D Vista, doing 3D images that link to our 360 tours. I'm just going to grab the January class here. We're not going to spend, okay, do you want to continue? Nope. Okay, okay. So let's go with the other one instead. These haven't been used in a little bit, so that one was missing some files. So now we're loading up another project for you. And like I was starting to say, we're not going to spend a lot of time here. We're just showing how you can actually make an export standalone package, Windows or Mac, and how that works here. So we're in the main 3D Vista. And what we have, let's see, right down here on the right-hand side. So we're going to look over on the right-hand side. We have a publish button under our project. So I'm going to hit publish really quick. There we go. And this is how we can publish. So number one, the cloud. So 3D Vista offers a hosting service. There is a service fee, of course. You can do web and mobile. So you can set up your own web presenter or mobile presenter. And the next item is what we're being asked about, the standalone player. We've also got the 3D Vista app and the Google Street View. We're not messing with those. Let's go to the standalone player. And on the standalone player, on the left-hand side, we have a couple of options. So there's the Windows symbol, and I am going to create a zip file with that. And we also have our Apple, so the Mac, and we've got the clickable right there for it. So we can now pull that back out. Now let's go ahead and pick a destination for this, shall we? So 3D Vista in Panos, I already set this up for us, and the Z March, so that's just a folder for me, but I'm going to open that. And so the destination is my Studio Desktop 3D Vista, and then this folder for it. So we're all set. We're good to go here. So we've got both the Windows and Mac clickable or click ready, and let's go ahead and hit publish. This is going to take a few moments to get this exported. So it's going to put both of them in that folder that we just saw down there. And there it is, creating the Mac OS application. So cruising right along here with Mac. And then we'll also have the Windows save as a zip file, so you can give folks a zip file that they can put on their Windows machine, open it up, and then run the presentation. So, all right, congratulations, my tour has been created. I'm going to say OK, and I'm going to minimize this, and I have the folder right here for me to share with you. So there is the March 26 standalones. I'm going to open that up, and let's see what we have here. So in my case, we've got a couple of items. We have the build with the tar.bz2. So this is a compressed file, and this is for our Macintosh installer. And then we have the 3D Vista Windows. And when we open that up, it's going to be an executable file as well. So there we have it. We've got both of the ways, both Windows and Mac, to set up standalone sharing. So I could give this to somebody with a Windows machine or a Mac. They can load these up and run the presentation. So it's as easy as that. All right, I'm going to close this one out, and I'm going to go ahead and close the close my OBS out in just a moment. But that's all there is to it. It's pre-packaged on 3D Vista, and it'll only take you 1 or 2 tries to see, okay, this is how it's going to load things up. So there you have it. We'll talk to you again in the near future. Hope you guys are having a great start to the spring here.